You guys are now tuned into the Harris family. I'm so sorry I have not been recording anything. I've been super busy, but not too busy for you guys who have already subscribed to my page and liked and dropped a comment. So today, let's just get into it, right? We're cooking macaroni. As you see, I got the macaroni ready. Pan. All right, so we're doing black beans. My specialty, you know I love rice. The rice is cooking. The chicken is seasoning. And we're gonna make Takis, so I'm gonna make a separate videos for you guys to see how we're gonna make fried chicken Takis. Oh my God. So yeah, you are now tuned to the Harris family, and I am so sorry I have not been making any video and posting them. We've been super busy, running around, heads like a chicken, carbon broke, no transportation, but God still made a way, so no complain. So right now, just tune in to me. I'm making my macaroni. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek what I do with my macaroni. Go see what I can.
Do you want me to keep my white sheet on my bed?
The white sheet stay on now. So I just need a little bitty milk to go in my macaroni. I don't know how folks make their macaroni, but I gotta have milk in my macaroni. Yeah, no. All right, you see it. You see that. I already have the butter, the shredded cheese. So, I normally put sour cream in my cheese in my macaroni, but today I'm just not. I'm just going to make it the regular way. Just with the Vita shell macaroni. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning in my stuff. So yeah, because I'm trying to save time. But how everybody doing out there? How everybody surviving through the COVID? And when you cook, you must have a clean kitchen. And you are now tuned to the Harris and the Pate family. So yeah, today I'm making rice, black beans, macaroni for my tummy. And I'm making fried chicken. So yeah, right now I'm trying to beat the timer. So yeah, like I said, do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment below. Tell me what I can do better to improve and get some subscribers. So yeah, this is basically my macaroni, but I'm gonna let you guys see because I really don't care about sharing the ingredient. I don't know why people do that, but so what I do is I like my stuff seasoned, so I put a little bit of blah blah, and I put a little bit of bum. Did you think I was gonna really tell you what this was? But I'll tell you what this is. Of course, we all know that's a little bitty black pepper. And y'all know a little bitty. And then a little bitty pinch of that. And of course, I need a bigger spoon. So yeah. And then my secret. Well, y'all know I like my mac and cheese, really super cheesy. So yeah, let's get into it. Making the macaroni real quick meal. I already have the rice going. Tiana, why do I hear y'all yelling in my house? Why? For what? For what?
No, I just want to see what her
For what?
looks like.
For what, Taisha?
Because you told me to move from the side of the bed because I can't see.
What you can be doing is picking up your shoes, making sure your bucket cleaned up. So yeah, house full of kids, you know how that go. Tiana, come give me an egg. So I always put an egg in my macaroni because I don't know, that's how you do it the old school way, but I had already put butter in my pan. So I'm super quickly trying to make the macaroni. Butter. egg. And you know we gotta have our cheese.
Harris family, welcome back to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that comment.
What she said, hit them comments below.
And we're gonna make more videos, whatever videos you want us to make, like last person to leave something. You know.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
And guys, guess what? Soon I'm gonna be taking out a bread.
So yeah, you guys, I like the macaroni to be extra. So let me show you guys. See? Cheesy. Y'all see that? That's all cheesy. So the milk make it like milky. And then so all I do is I stir it in there real bit. I was going. Tiana didn't give me the egg, so it's okay.
I want it.
No, it's okay. I don't need the egg. This is gonna do it.
Oh, you don't need egg?
No, this will do it. So, boom. For them out. The macaroni's done, so I like to add a little bit of Feliz Navidad. Nope, you can do it in the morning. Feliz Navidad. I put it in the cabinet. Alrighty. So, boom. There you go. There's the macaroni, and boom, voila. Excuse me. You're on my way. Boom. We pop it in there. Voila. As you see, the oven is already hot and it's ready. Boom. Now I have the beans going.
As I did my edges, they came messed up.
Right, this makes it perfect, Tiana. So, what's the washcloth? So yeah, like I said, if you are just not tuning into our channel, welcome. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you guys are staying safe, using your mask. Right, this, I don't want to talk to you. Right, this so delicious. We'll figure it out.
Can I help you?
She just tried to help you. Put this in the refrigerator.
I'm talking about a pillowcase. Can I help you? It says I only do it. I know how to put it on, but it says it only came with one.
Well, so what's the problem?
It says it has these two, right? And that's only one pillowcase.
Well, you about to look in that stuff and make sure.
Can I help you?
So Tia, you can help me bring me so we can throw this stuff in it. This stuff in the garbage.
Ma'am?
Throw this in the garbage.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, I'm just getting a little cooking really quick. I'm already started my beans, so I can't really show y'all how I make my beans, but I just gave you just a little quick voila for the macaroni. So we'll see. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below. I'm about to fry my chicken. I already seasoned my chicken. If you want to know what I put in my chicken, what I season my chicken with, and what ingredients I use, if you go to my TikTok, you will be able to see everything. I don't know what to tell you, but guess what? That girl can cook. Now, you know, the only thing I can't cook is freaking lasagna, but it's okay. Oh my God, you know who makes the best lasagna? My friend Carissa. She makes so much lasagna, y'all. Oh my God, I miss Carissa. I love Carissa. Call her Chrissy. Kissy. Kissy.
Give it to me.
Tia, no, you can go have a seat somewhere. And don't even start in here with it. Well, that little baby whining you got going on, you can cut all that food out. I'm telling you that, you can say that for the birds, honey. They gotta get that together real quick. Like, I don't know who she be thinking she is. Baby, I ain't even in the playing mood like she a baby. Cause she ain't no baby. All that whining. You wanna hear that? So yeah. Nuts, Lord Jesus. In the name of Jesus, Lord, just thank you, Lord. Lord, thank you right now for the roof over my head. Thank you from the crown of my feet, from the head to the crown of my feet. All that, Lord, all that good stuff, Lord. Thank you for letting me be able to get up, even though I didn't want to get up today. I was moping and groaning. I was grunchy today. Grunchy. I was really mopey, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. My leg and stuff has been killing me, but I still pulled through to get up. You gotta pull through to get up, so yeah. Y'all always talking about the chicken. I have already seasoned my chicken. Anything you use, any type of pots, anything, make sure you rinse your items out, because you never know what can be in it. I know sometimes us as folks, we'll tend to wash our dishes and just pull it from the bottom and put it on the stove. Don't do that. That's not a good thing. You know? Right. So, hold on real quick, you guys. Chicken. So don't you see me doing something? Huh? People wait. So, yeah. I'm gonna show y'all the rice real quick. So, this is my rice. I told you guys, I like to cook rice. Looks so beautiful, doesn't it? Woo! 15 minutes coming. Those are my beans. Yes. You guys already seen the macaroni, so no need to show y'all that. Y'all know I like to use peanut oil, cook with. Alrighty then, let's get into that. Now I'm just waiting for my pan to get simple hot. Tiara, sit down, Tiara. Sit down. Sit down, girl. So yeah, the clock is running. So yeah, I can't pause it. I don't have good angle, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I'm gonna get ready to fry the chicken. So you're now tuned to the Harris family. I am just simply cooking up a quick meal real quick. Kids been gone all day with their dad. So now it's time for mommy time. Mommy mode. I am back in mommy mode, you guys, and to my favorite brother and sister, my favorite brother, Gregory and Eugene. Gregory, thank you so much for being my little brother. Eugene, thank you so much for being my little brother. Even though I don't come to your house and come see you guys, that doesn't mean I don't love you. I'm antisocial, so just disregard me sometime. KK, I'm so proud of you for your dance competition. Happy birthday, you guys. Don't forget to drop that comment below for KK. Tell KK happy birthday, and I will sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear KK. Happy birthday to you. Mwah, 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 mwah. I sent you Cash App, $50. So make sure you know that you got your money for your birthday. But nothing. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Everyone, please do not forget to like, subscribe, drop those comments below. And you are now tuned into the Harris family. And we are frying fried chicken. Taisha's over here. You gonna come in the camera and say hey?
Hey, Harris family. Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
I just used that.
Ooh. So yeah, I try not to make the videos too long because I seem not to be able to post. So I might drop a second part to my video of me cooking today. Once it runs, it runs. But like I said, don't forget to pray. Put your trust in God. Love your friends. Respect everyone. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say what?
Nothing at all.
You don't have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Respect yourself so people will respect you. Stop giving people so much power over your life. I don't care who that may be. Your marriage, your friendship, your family, your loved ones, anyone. Don't give nobody so much power in your life. And trust and believe in the process of God. And you're now tuned to the Harris family. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Harris family YouTube. And go follow my TikTok channel, which is _ Miss Crystal. Have a good day. Bye-bye.